Hello guys and welcome back. So what we're going to be doing now is that we're going to be making a palindrome checker. So let's start off with making a new project. Go ahead and call it palindrome checker. Yeah. And let's create that. So I hope everyone knows what a palindrome is, but if you don't, palindrome is basically a word that if you flip it over, it still stays the same. As in, so a palindrome would be dad. So dad, if you flip it around, it'll say be DAD. And mum as well, MUM. Flip it around, it'll be more MUM. And this would also work for numbers. So if it's 101, flip it around, it's still 101. 111, it's flipped around, it's still 111. Right, so let's go ahead and make a new Python file. Call it main, just like we always do. Remove the caret, right? And let's say start off with telling the user to enter a word, right? So we're going to say word equals to input. Please enter a word. Right, and a new line. And then what we're going to say now is, so what we're going to do now is turn the word around. So basically flip it around. And you might be thinking, oh, that's going to be a long bit of code, but it's really not. What it will be is that we're going to say ref word, so the reverse word equals to word, and then we say from and to -1, right? And then so that will basically print the word that the ref word would be the word upside down. So let's just try this. We'll say print ref word. Right. Let's go ahead, run this. It says enter a word. Right, and it flips it around and it prints it. Right, so that's basically all we need, because all we have to do now is say that if word equals to ref word, then it is a palindrome, and if it doesn't, then it's not. Let's go ahead and say if word equals to ref, oh, not ref word, then let's say print this word is a palindrome. And then, yep, that's it. And then if, actually, I have to say else. If we can say else print this word is not a palindrome. Right. So, and that should be it, I guess. Let's run this. Say this word is a palindrome. However, what happens is that it exits. It only just lets you do. It only just asks you once, and then it exits. So let's say yeah. Let's say while true, do this and alright, there we go. So that'll be, yep, there you go. So while true, it's gonna do this. So it's gonna do it over and over again. And I guess that's it. So let's run this. This word is a palindrome. This word is a palindrome. This word is not a palindrome. Let's try with numbers. This word is a palindrome. This is not. This is not. This should be. Right, so there we are, guys. We've made a palindrome checker with what 10 lines of code. Yeah, that's it. 10 lines of code, and we made a palindrome checker. Thank you for watching.